of fire. I hear the silent screams through archives of shadows. The law forgets its dreams. One law for the chained, another for the free. Tell me, is this how equality should be?
Crown of the Constitution, forged in fire, not in gold, but ink fades in Manipur. Truth is never told. Valleys tremble under tear gas, innocence in chains, while the hills bloom poppy fire. Untouched by range, we gave the world our blood in sports, our spirit in war. Yet democracy's door is closed, we stand outside its floor. Am I not a citizen, caught from the same flame? Or is equality just a word, a decorated name?
Destiny calls, shadow and shadow walls. Justice a fire you can't contain. We are the storm, the thunder, the rain.
They call us majority, general class when we cry for our right. Yet shadows carry rifles unchallenged in the night. Delhi fears the storm beyond its borderline, but neglects the valley's heart, breaking by design.
Chains of silence break the soul, but silence cannot change the whole. If equality is only a name, we'll carve it in thunder, we'll set it aflame. Equality, not just a name in disguise. We are the people, we rise, we rise. Hear the valley roar, the hills will see. Justice is destiny and it will be free.
The hills are sealed, the highway silence, an ancient cry awakens. The buffer zone between the valleys and hills, where silence stands guard. Freedom's breath, the earth's rebirth, every human equal worth. Whispers of ancestors carried in the rain. Manipur bleeds, but a spirit remains. Justice may falter, but truth will ignite. In the valley of shadows, equality finds light. If the valley was silent, sealed in sorrow, what would the hills say to the valleys? Will you not blame us? The hills are sealed, they close our gates whenever they wish. 2 years, 3 years, even 10, and the words to forgive them. No meter speaks, no one remembers the hills, no one asks them why.